Hello students, welcome to EVS 2 session. In this session, we are going to revise lesson number 17 of Geography, Clothes, Our Necessity. We will go through the important points of this chapter which we have already learned. So let's begin with the important points of this chapter. We are just going to read the important points because already the explanation is done of this chapter. So the first important point of this chapter is likings for clothes. We like to wear many types of clothes. We also wish to own them as well. Second, need and greed for clothes. Some people want many clothes, which they really do not need. Wanting things like clothes, toys, ornaments, etc., when we do not need them, is called desire or greed, not necessity. Third, advertisements and desire for clothes. We see many advertisements on television, hoardings, etc., and we are attracted towards the clothes shown in them. This attraction can turn into greed for clothes. Fourth, textile industry centers in Maharashtra. Paitan, Yeola, Aurangabad, Solapur, Ichalkaranji are the main textile industry centers in Maharashtra. Paitani of Paitan, saris of Yeola, shawls of Aurangabad, bed sheets and bedspreads of Solapur, handloom and powerloom cloth of Ichalkaranji are very famous. Fifth point, diversity in clothes in India. There are a variety of fabrics and costumes in India. We can find this variety due to diverse climatic conditions in different parts of our country and the availability of transport facilities. Different types of saris are seen in India. For example, Lucknowi chicken, Kashmir silk, Banarasi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Pochampalli, Narayanpet, Kanjivaram, Patola, Mysore silk, etc. Diversity in clothes is a part of the diversity in our country. Sixth point, changes in clothing due to traditions and in the course of time. During the evolution of man, there was reduction in the amount of body hair. As a result, man started feeling need for clothes for protecting oneself from the elements in certain weather conditions. He began using bark and leaves of trees as cloths. After that, he used skins of animals as cloths. After he learned to make yarn from materials like cotton and wool, he began to use cotton cloth. In modern times, the changes in clothing have been occurring due to changing traditions. Next point, need for giving priority to needs and not desires. Nature has given us enough to fulfill everyone's need. However, nature cannot quench man's greed. Man must give priority to his needs and not desires. Last point, Mumbai, an important hub for financial activity in India. Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. The humid weather on this island facilitates the manufacturing of long thread for making clothes. Therefore, Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. Many workers from all over the country settled in Mumbai. From then on, Mumbai became an important hub for financial activity in India. So these are some of the important points of this lesson which we have went through. Now we'll go through the notes of this chapter. Notes of lesson number 17, Clothes Our Necessity. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the most important raw material in the textile industry. Answer, cotton. Second, the output of textile industry is dash. Answer, cloth. Third, dash is famous for the production of bed sheets. Answer, Solapur. Question number 2, state whether true or false. First, we find diversity in clothes in India. Answer, true. Second, nature cannot quench man's greed. Answer, true. Third, poor people possess clothes in huge number. Answer, false. Question number 3, name the following. First one, famous Indian sari types. Answer, Banarasi silk, Pitambari, Kanjivaram, etc. Second, famous sari types in Maharashtra. Answer, Paitani and Yeola sari. Third, famous textile centers in Maharashtra. Answer, Aurangabad, Solapur, Paitan, Yeola, etc. Question number 4, match the column. Question, first one, Solapur, answer, bed sheet. Second question, Paitan, answer, sari. Third question, Aurangabad, answer, shawl. Now question number 5, answer in one sentence. First question, what is desire? Answer, wanting things when we do not need them is called desire. Question number 2, what is greed for clothes? Answer, wanting clothes when we do not need them is called greed for clothes. Question number 3, which factors are responsible for variety in clothes in India? Answer, diverse climatic conditions and the availability of transport facilities are the factors responsible for variety in clothes in India. Question number 6, answer in brief. First one, why should we minimize the greed for clothes? Answer, the greed for clothes increases the stock of clothes unnecessarily. Many poor people do not have sufficient number of clothes to wear. So, it is our duty to satisfy the need of clothes in our country. Question number 7, short notes. First one, textile industry in Maharashtra. Answer, textile industry has well developed since the olden times in Maharashtra. At first, Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. Paitan, Yeola, Aurangabad, Solapur, etc. are famous for textile industry center in Maharashtra. With this, we have finished with the important points and notes of this chapter. In our next session, we are going to revise lesson number 20, which is civics lesson, our emotional world. Till then, take care.